In this video, I'll show you how to add the RSI indicator on TradingView. First, open TradingView in your web browser or desktop app and sign into your account. Then, open the chart of the stock, cryptocurrency, forex pair, or any other asset you want to analyze. Now, click the Indicators button at the top of the chart. This will open the Indicators library. Next, type RSI into the search bar. From the results, select Relative Strength Index under the Built-in section. The RSI indicator will immediately be added to a new panel below your chart. After that, if you'd like to customize the indicator, move your cursor over the RSI panel and click the Settings icon. Here, you can change the RSI length, adjust the colors, and modify the upper and lower levels to match your trading strategy. Now, if you no longer want to use the RSI, open the Indicators menu and select Remove to delete it from your chart. You can always add it again later using the Indicators menu. Finally, save your chart layout if you want the RSI indicator to remain on your chart the next time you open TradingView. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add the RSI indicator on TradingView. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.